Good morning, everybody. We are here. It is freezing outside. It's showing -5 right now, and that is not even the wind chill, man. The wind chill is like -30 degrees right now. Getting ridiculous at the moment. We've got Dark Bro first in the chat with a new photo as well. What's going on, Dark Bro? JB, 1776, JB, Pudgy, JB. We got Pudgy, Frank, 1776, Dark Bro, JB, Nick F. What's going on, man? Dark Bro, JB, Dark Bro, JB, J Bones. We got Dark Bro, JB, Pudgy, JB, J Bones, Dark Bro, Frank, Dark Bro, Pudgy, King Mamba. What's going on? JB, Old Rounder, Dark Bro, JB, J Bones, Paul, J Bones. We got Paul, J Bones. All of you guys, what's happening? You better be staying warm today. My goodness, it is cold out there. We've got AMC in the top left sitting down 11.5% right now. Adam Marin destroyed AMC. I'll sing it from the rooftops, man. I'm not afraid to say it. Everybody else seems afraid to say it, dude. I'm not afraid to say it, though. Shiba Inu coin sitting steady at 0.66% lower, 829 points per coin. GameStop sitting at 20.46 right now, up 3.26% of the day. Bitcoin sitting at 16,834, up 0.10%. NASDAQ sitting about break even at the moment. GameStop, like we say, 2044. Bureau Therapeutics, 1545. AMC down heavy. Ethereum sitting at 1217. Shiba, 829. Dogecoin, 7715. Bitcoin sitting at 16,834. Sundial up to 208.5 today. Mullen Auto sitting at 22 cents. CEI $2.54 down 12% on the day right now. The SPY sitting at 381.97. BBIG 53.5 cents. Highcroft Mining 50 cents. Netflix $295. Terra Luna Classic going up a little bit right now. Terra Luna Classic sitting at 14,309. 14,300 points per coin on Terra Luna Classic. It is one of the largest gainers in the cryptocurrency space right now, outpacing the rest of them, and we know what is likely to happen. If it can't sustain this movement, guys, it's most likely to come back down and meet up where the rest of the cryptocurrency market is trading. So be careful if it does come back down and break down below this little level of support. Sorry, this little level of support that it's got going on intraday. Right? My goodness, right there. QQQ sitting at 266, man. And Ape, $1.73 right now. Ape is doing very well because, well, all of the hedge funds that now own the majority of Ape, they are going to be voting to bringing it back into the same share as AMC. And Ape will no longer exist. It will all be one big happy company owned by institutional investors. Yeah, dude, no longer retail owned. But what are you going to do, man? Retail loves AMC. Let's see, not sure if you guys heard or not, but there's going to be a wrench application with KYC. I don't know if we're going to be a wrench application with KYC or not, but you guys better behave. Actually, let's check the wrenches out right now. Not the wrenches. Let's check and see if anybody was randomly blocked, because there is nobody on this channel that is blocked. So let's see if that has remained the same over the last, well, what? I don't know, 15 hours, 17 hours, whatever it's been. Let's put this full Weeble so you guys can watch the graphs instead of my face. Then we got to come out to here. Yes, that's where we find it. We're going to come out to here. And then we got to come down here to community. Let's see what the community looks like. Still no hidden users. All right, perfect. Literally nobody is blocked at the moment. So we're going to see what happens with that, man. We're going to see what happens with nobody being blocked right there. All right, content, yes. Got to come back out to the live stream here. Good deal. Open the live stream back up so we're ready to go. Happy Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas Eve. We are all excited. It is Christmas Eve. Yes, we are, man. Yes, we are. You know, Christmas Eve actually is pretty cool, because Christmas Eve, for all the kids with, like, you know, parents that are split up, out there, Christmas Eve really is Christmas Eve for all the kids that are going to be spending Christmas Eve with mom or dad, and then Christmas Eve, actual Eve, is going to be Christmas Eve for everybody spending the other Christmas Day with mom or dad. So Christmas Eve actually is a special day there. Paul crushing it over in his channel. 300 people hanging out watching his yard. Nice, man. Paul, shout out to Paul. 300 people watching his yard. That is absolutely awesome. I'm telling you right now, my yard is freezing cold. Dude, I wish I could post a picture of my brother. My brother went out and snowblowed this morning. I don't understand what this dude's problem is. brother, if you're listening right now, I don't understand what your problem is. This dude was snowblowing with literally no coat on. He just had a hoodie and a sweatshirt on. It's -5 degrees, not including the wind chill. Wind chill is -30 right now. Dude wasn't even wearing a coat. His beard was frozen. I'm like, this dude, man. I don't know. What are you going to do about this guy? Oh, glad to be back. Thought I would have to travel to Ohio. Bronson, I'm telling you, nobody come to Ohio today. Wait till at least like Monday or Tuesday if you're going to be thinking about coming to Ohio, especially to kick somebody's butt. You're not even going to want to do it right now. Way too cold, man. Today was the last investment day of 2022 for the long-term retirement portfolio. Annual dividend payouts projection. Drumroll, please. $390.43. Of course, I run the dividend reinvestment program. Very good, Frank. Nice. And that's not bad income at all, Frank. Where is Ford sitting at? I have options on them. I actually do not know where Ford is at. Let's see. $12, $13. What do we got here in Ford? Let's see what Ford is doing. It is $11.34 right now. Ford sitting down here at a major, actually this is a pretty decent level of support. If you guys are looking at Ford, this is a strong level of support. Very, very similar to the NASDAQ, okay? If you come out here, we get the NASDAQ on here anywhere. No, we don't. I don't know why. You guys can see the NASDAQ as well. Bouncing support. Bouncing support, touching this support right here. Now we go back over to Ford so you guys can see what it looks like. Boom. Very, very similar. Bouncing support, bouncing support, bouncing support. Like you guys can see it is following the overall market very heavily right now. Nonetheless, at a very strong level of support down in this area, I mean, this is a range, right? It doesn't have to actually touch the line. But yeah, Ford down pretty low, level of support around that $11 per share mark. All right, where are you, Christmas? Let's see, limited value. There you go, J-Bone. So, Clay, are you purging the wrenches? Dark Bro, as of right now, no. I don't think I need to purge the wrenches right at the moment. I really just wanted to see if there's any rogue wrenches out there or what is going on. Because my thought was, look, I really don't think that you guys are doing anything crazy during a live stream. Because literally everybody's watching during a live stream, right? If there's a wrench that's doing anything crazy out there, it's literally going to show up. You know, Dark Bro just banned, or just Dark Bro just hid Bronson or something like that. Or Mayo, which was blocked on two different accounts. So I don't think you guys are doing anything there. But somebody may be doing something like, you know, on videos. If somebody leaves a comment on a video or something like that, that's not going to show up anywhere, and you can technically still hide stuff there. So if I feel like that's what's happening, yeah, we'll purge the wrenches. But right now, no, I don't think we need to purge wrenches at the moment, unless, of course, random people just start becoming blocked again. So we'll see. Chefing it up, Pudge. Pudge better be chefing it up, man. Pudge makes some good tacos. Let's see. Always make my own. Good deal. Can I get a plate? What's he making right now? I want to know. Prime rib for Christmas dinner. There you go, Pudgy. Hey, have you sold your AMC shares? In my opinion, so scared right now. In my opinion, right now, I have put all my savings on AMC. So gosh, man, what is that? Hollymo Music HD. No, I've actually not sold my shares of AMC yet, but I will say this, dude. If there's any sort of a little pump, I have no problem getting rid of my shares. I am negative on my shares right now, okay? I have rode them all the way down. But I have no more, like, attachment to AMC. So I don't necessarily want to sell them. I don't care to sell them before the end of the year or anything. I already got enough losses to write off this year. If next year rolls around, if there's a little pump, even if there's not a little pump, dude, I wouldn't have a problem selling them at this point. I am, and you may agree or disagree with this, I am convinced that Adam Aaron will step on my neck. He will step on my throat to get to his next level of where he wants to be, dude. He's just absolute savage in the sense that he does not care if he just crushes my windpipe stepping to get to where he wants to go. And I think that is one of the most disgusting and disgraceful things that you could possibly do, is step on somebody else to lift yourself up. I think it is much better if you build everybody else up around you, and then, hey, man, if everybody's cheering, dude, and they throw you up on their shoulders and, hey, you know, and have a little party with it because they're all built up and they're all doing well as well. I feel like that's the right way to go about things. Even if it takes longer, you're going to have a much stronger foundation that way if you build everybody up around you instead of literally killing them and then standing on their bodies like I believe Adam Aaron is doing. So, yeah, dude, I have no problem selling them, but I have not sold them yet. Hopefully that doesn't paint a very dark picture around Christmas time for you, man. It's still all good. Last trading day before Christmas, we're good to go. My goodness, I'm going to tell these idiots to stop texting me if they don't quit cutting my camera out. Sorry that the camera keeps cutting out there. We'll make it lower so you guys don't... Epilepsy doesn't get triggered by all the flashing here. You could go back and watch the live stream chats and probably hide people after the fact. Yeah, you could do that. I almost guarantee you could do that because you can go into the comments on videos and you should be able to hide people in comments on videos as well. So I know I can hide people on comments on videos. So I imagine the moderators could hide people on comments on videos as well. So yeah, dude, it doesn't have to take place during a live stream. I think that if there's a rogue agent out around there, I feel like I'm fairly confident that if there is a rogue wrench, you guys will absolutely expose that rogue wrench because I can guarantee you guys don't want to lose your wrench because somebody else makes everybody get purged. So I'm fairly confident that you guys will expose any rogue wrenches if it comes down to that. Clint, would you eat a barbecue frog leg, tamales, in red sauce? Tastes like chicken. Oh yeah, I have no problem with frog legs, dude. Yeah, I would eat that. No problem at all. Barbecue pulled pork tamales is actually amazing. Let's see. Quarter 1 2023 goals for long-term retirement portfolio, 100 shares, afford for covered calls. There you go, Frank. Not bad. FAA. We got the new spam. We got new spam with J-Bones and Simon out there right now. I like it, J-Bones and Simon. I can only remove comments and report people on videos. I can't hide people in the comments. JB, thank you very much for letting me know that. I certainly can, so I figured you guys could. But if you can't, hey, look. I'm going to say perfect on that. JB, if you want to go back and watch an old live stream real quick, or if somebody wants to go back and test that to see if you can hide somebody in an old live stream, okay, great. Otherwise, I am thoroughly confused as to how people like Mayo and Kristen, it was Kristen, right? Not Christina? I always forget. I think it was Kristen. And Bronson were hidden. And I wish somebody could tell Kristen, if you guys ended up following her anywhere or talking to her, that she is no longer blocked. Because I'm sure, even though it was only one day, I'm sure she probably thought people were ignoring her or something. And that is not the case. Let's see. I go try on a video. Perfect. King Mamba. Or perfect Pudgy. And then if anybody wants to try on a live stream as well, Bronson is next in line for a wrench. And I don't know, Bronson. Maybe. Bronson is a hoodie winner as well. Bronson, did you message me I don't know if you messaged me your address and size or not. LUNC devs pay. What about doing 50% LUNC, 50% fiat? This way it ensures they have a stake. Yeah, CD wit, man. So I'm good with some sort of a combination of that. I truly believe, when you've got like a CEO of a company or something, if you've just got these workers, right? You pay the workers. But when you have people who can just single-handedly influence the direction of the company, CEOs, sure, man, they might make $250,000 a year salary. They might make a $1 million a year fiat salary, but they get to $10, $15, $20 million a year because it's all stock options. It's all options paid out that vest over a certain period of time and things like that. I truly believe that if somebody's interested in the future of Terra Luna Classic, it should be some sort of a vesting, some sort of a milestone achievement, some sort of a reasoning for, one, them to actually improve Terra Luna Classic, and two, them to be involved in the future and want to hold Terra Luna Classic to higher prices. I think that would be the most encouraging and the most productive way to get that done. And hey, that's compensation. Right? That's compensation. If I promised you $100,000 in Terra Luna Classic for your work this year, but you couldn't touch it until next year or whatever, 2025, like put a stipulation on it, you would want to do everything possible to make sure Terra Luna Classic goes up in value so that your $100,000 didn't turn into $10,000 and that your $100,000 turned into $1 million at that point. So people do have a vested interest in watching it at that point. All stock market is a gambling house. I realized my sister says the right thing to me. Holly, I'm going to address that in 1 second, man. I'm going to address that because I don't think it's a gambling house, okay? I'll tell you why in a second here. John J! Thank you very much for the super chat. Young man, there's a place where you can go. Young man, when you're short on your dough, can stay there, young man. Oh, and I'm sure you will find many ways to have a good time. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. They have everything. Oh, man, I don't know the rest of the song there. John J, man. Young man. There's a place you can go. I said, young man, when you're short on your dough, you can stay there. I'm sure you will find many ways. I don't even know how that part goes. To have a good time. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. John J, man, thank you for ruining it for all of the other viewers in here, but I love it. John J is the new young man. Young man. John J, thank you very much for the super chat. I'm not even sweating it, dude. Not even sweating it. I felt good on that dancer. I felt good on that, and I did not ruin that song. John J, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it. Clay's got the moves. Oh, yes, Simon. Oh, yes. You know it. In the lives, you can do all the same mod in the chat replay, but can only remove comments in the videos. Gotcha. So, Pudgy, maybe somebody could have been going back to some previous live streams and doing some bad news action over there. Merry Xmas, Clay, bro, you did great. Yes, man, I love it when I do great, too. When I get your approval, John J, it makes me feel that much better. I'm not out here living my life for everybody else's approval, but when John J approves of my renditions of all the songs that he throws over there, I do feel good about myself when I get one right. John J, man, thank you very much for that super chat and your approval of it as well. Agree, Frank. What did Frank say? AMC to the moon with Adam Aaron, then throw him out the airlock without a suit on. There you go. Boom, baby. FAA. What is that? The Federal Aviation? Whatever it is. It's the FAA. Gotcha. It's my last comment. JB. I gotcha, JB. Let's see. Clint just went back to the last live and hit DD214. Go see if he showed up. This dude's a savage, man. Let's go see if he actually hit DD214 here and see what happens. Oh, yeah, we'll leave, man. I don't have anything saved right there. Settings, community, let's go. DD214 Army Bro is currently hidden right now. DD214 Army Bro, I think like he's got the bro after there too. He is currently hidden, so I am going to unhide him, and now he is no longer hidden, so it is very possible that we did have a rogue agent or something going back and doing that. Okay, there's another stupid copyright claim. I wanted to make sure I got that one, but that one was from yesterday. Oh, boy. All right, cool. Got that. Good to go on that one. And we are coming back into the live stream here. DD214 is no longer hidden, just in case you were wondering. He was hidden, though. You did hide him, JB. No longer hidden at the moment. Let me see. Yeah, dude. I gotta figure out, anybody know any good, like, just auto-tune AI programs that can, there's like, you know how they make AI images? They need to make AI beats, okay? Just a, like an AI beat that's out there, and then I can auto-tune some, let's get started, because I don't feel like AI is going to copyright claim me. And even if one of you guys make me a beat, right? 2 years down the road, you can get mad at me and then copyright claim the last 2 years. God, dude, I'll probably have 2,000 videos. 2 years down the road, you guys might copyright claim 2,000 videos, and I got to go and take the song out of all 2,000 videos. So is there any, do you guys know of any AI beat making programs? The same way that you can make those AI images, and we could get a little let's get started going in for the intro music. I think that would be really sweet. If you guys know something, please let me know if there's any AI beat making programs out there, or I can auto-tune a little if it sounds like something you're interested in. Let's get started and have some fun with that. Hollywood music or Hollywood music, whatever it is. Let me address that question, the concern you had right there really quick. I don't think that the stock market is a gambling house or a casino. I know a lot of people want to say that it is a gambling house or a casino, but if you're still in here, man, I believe it's very important to understand that gambling houses, casinos, they are always in favor of the house. Even if you're playing roulette, I believe the odds on winning roulette are in favor of the house 51% to 49%, if it's not like 51.5% to 48.5%. Roulette is one of the best odds that you have of winning, and that's if you simply put it on red or black, okay? Now, it is because they got 0 or double 0 on the board. It does depend on whether it's just a 0 or a double 0 on the board. But it does take your odds slightly out of favor, and the house will always win. That's why if they continue to play and continue to play and continue to play, the house always wins no matter what game it is. The perpetuity of games being played guarantees that the house is profitable. Even if you, as an individual, walk away making some money on one of the games, the house is guaranteed profitability because of the odds. The stock market is and can be slightly different. If you go in there and say, okay, AMC up or down today, flip your coin, and you say, heads, AMC is going up today, I'm going to buy a share of AMC. You actually already increased your odds above any casino or any gambling house. You have 50% chance. It's going to go up, it's going to go down. You can literally flip that coin, and you are already guaranteed to break even just simply based on the coin flip right there. It's the odds are not in favor of the house. Now, as soon as you start to add in a little technical analysis, you can and should be able to take your chances of picking right above 50%. Even if you're terrible at it, you should still be able to see, let's see here. Okay, AMC over the last, 6 months here has been on a downtrend. I am going to sell it. I'm going to buy a put option. I'm going to play this trend in a continuation to the downside, even if it's a swing trade that lasts a month. The odds are it will continue coming down. That's if you're just looking at a graph like this. If all of a sudden you say, okay, well, this daily graph, it just broke through a very strong level of support, so that could further lead us to a decline to the next level of support. That adds in. If the moving averages are declining, you're below the moving average, all of a sudden your technical analysis takes you above a 50% chance of success. If you add in fundamental analysis, Adam Aron talking crap about a short squeeze. Adam Aron releases a statement saying that AMC is going to declare bankruptcy if they can't issue more shares of Ape. The stock market, Jerome Powell coming out and saying we are in a recession that is going to lead us to potentially the greatest depression. There's so many other factors that you can put in there into your decision making that take you above a 50% hit rate. And as long as you're above a 50% hit rate, if you continue to be in the market, you continue to play the game, the odds now guarantee that you have profit. Not if you give up, but if you continue to play the game. So please, your sister's smart. Yes, it does seem like gambling, but there is a difference in the fact that gambling, you are guaranteed to lose if you continue to play. The stock market, you are not necessarily guaranteed to lose. Even if you just flip a coin, dude, you're guaranteed to break even at that point. But even if you flip a coin. Sorry that it took a long time. We are back in the chat right now. Clay, who was first today, came in a bit late. Dark Bro was first today again. Play the crap out of roulette and walk away. Most of the time with money, I only play numbers. Bronson, if you play numbers, man, your chances of winning are much lower. But if you hit one number, you're kind of good to go at that point. So if you do play roulette all the time, very good. If you simply play color, red or black, your odds are about 49. It's either 48.5 or 49%. I forget which one it is. And it does depend if they've got zero or double zeros on the board. Frank, I didn't see your comments. Yes, a mod cannot hide another mod. It's just YouTube being stupid. That's what I do, Pudgy. That's what I do. Something to Pudgy said. Bronson, I go back and forth between a roulette and blackjack, and gamble wins from each. I'm really good at both. Hey, very nice. Guys, Pudgy. I've actually never been to a casino. Let's see here. SPAC sold steady at $1 and pays 3.55% interest dividend annual paid monthly. It's almost an auto win. It's not gambling in general. Risky plays are the casino games. That they are, Frank. That they are. Red Rooster closed today. Red Rooster. Is that like Red Robin? Moo. Is that a moo or is that a mo? Hey, I'm so confused by the Bitcoin price action over the last 24 hours. This morning I decided to play defense and close my short. I'm going to wait for more clarity. Old round here. Not bad at all, man. Not bad at all. If you are unsure of which direction you think it is going, why not take your risk off the table, man, and make some money if you were making some money, or cut your losses if you think you could go down. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro, do you ever leave this place? I don't think he does, man. That's why he's first in the chat today. Thank you very much, Patrick, for the super chat. Oh, yeah. And the authorized hydration. And just so you guys know, it is actually getting colder. It is -6 degrees Fahrenheit right now, and that is not the wind chill. They were calling for -1 today. They were calling for like 1 degree today. Not -1, 1 degree, and it's -6 right now. It's freaking cold outside. Maybe it's cold outside. Maybe it's cold outside. Mr. Normus. What's going on, Mr. Normus? Merry Christmas and happy holidays to all my bros out there. Get my bro shirt. Can't wait to rock it when this weather warms back up. Mr. Normus, loving it, dude. And it is very cold out right now. I'm telling you. Mr. Normus, you could always put it on, over a nice thermal shirt or something, and you'll be good to go. Mr. Normus got that shirt out there. Anybody that's grabbing their shirts, very happy about that. I do want to know, though, there are some of you that were mailed out yesterday. If you are in here right now, please let me know if anybody gets their shirts today and or tomorrow. Discord would be appreciated, or Twitter, wherever you want to hit me up at. Or show in the community that you guys got your shirts there in the community chat. That'd be cool. But yes, please keep everybody posted if you got your shirts. I love it when you guys are happy getting those shirts there. Nice, Dixie. Oh, yes. When I was underground drilling in Nevada, I had to swap from day shift to night shift. I would stay up all night at the casinos on the swap over 24 hours. My gosh, dude. That's way too long to stay up. Cause my bro, what's going on, Ray? How you doing, man? It's a restaurant in one of our old towns. It was a great place, but the owner had $30,000 stolen from. My gosh, dude. Oh, my. Oh, Red Rooster, Red Rooster. Red Rooster is down because some clown stole $30,000. My God, I hate these people. Dark Bro, I do not like thieves. Yeah, I don't even know what to say about that. Red Rooster is a restaurant in Eastern Washington. How does King Mamba know about this? King Mamba lives in Alaska. LUNC to $2 tonight. Ray, if Terra Luna Classic goes to $2 tonight, that is going to be wild. Have you watched AMC Bigum's video in regards to the reverse split? The reverse split will help us out. So life after the squeeze. I completely disagree with that. I have not watched the video, but I do completely disagree with that. The reverse split is not in any way going to help out retail investors. If you would like to let me know or like the thought process behind it, I would be more than happy to not necessarily debate, man, but throw my thoughts out there. But I do not think that the reverse split is going to help retail investors out at all, man, at all. Let's see. There's guy speed. There's Dark Bro speed. That is a fact, man. Robinhood's still safe. So, Junior, I think that Robinhood is safe. Yes. But Robinhood is notorious for acting wild, dude, and not letting you close positions out. Even if you do close positions out, trying to reverse positions and stuff like that. Robinhood is absolutely wild. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. We got a hot dog going to Mr. Normus. Hot dog, you dip it and then you shove it. Oh, yes. You peel the banana right there, and when you lick it, you stick it. And then you take some of that authorized hydration. Yes, Patrick. All of that was for you, Mr. Normus. Matthew, Merry Christmas, Clay, to you and yours for here at Mom's near Cleveland. Matthew, you're at your mom's near Cleveland right now? Dude, you better stay warm, dude. It's got to be freezing. It's got to be freezing. Lake effect snow, lake effect chill, dude. What is it, like negative 400 in Cleveland right now? Oh my gosh. Everyone's in the AMC. Play, do your own due diligence research, and don't listen to these YouTubers who don't know what they're talking about. The reverse split is going to be good for us. See, life after the squeeze, man, I guarantee you that is incorrect, okay? If you could please not just say don't listen to YouTubers, but actually throw something out there. So let's just briefly discuss what a reverse split does. This reverse split is a decision in multiple parts. Not just a reverse split, but it also is the combination of AMC and Ape back into one share. So when AMC and Ape are combined back into one share, it is going to take the 500 million shares of AMC. It is going to take the roughly 700 million shares of Ape, combining them back together and then reducing them back down at a 1 for 10 level. So when you do that, what happens is all of the shares. You've got over 700 million shares of Ape, and you've got 500 million shares of AMC. So the short shares that are out there, if you believe in the naked shorts that nobody knows about, okay, we could go down that path in a second, but let's go down the path where there are 100 million shares of AMC shorted and 100 million shares of Ape that are shorted. Adam Aron literally just sold 266 million shares to Antara Capital, or Antara Capital. I don't know how you pronounce it. Antara Capital now has 266 million shares of Ape. That is more than enough to cover every single short share of Ape, and it is more than enough to cover every single short share of AMC. Why? Because they will be combined into the same company. Adam Aron, in one fell swoop for 66 cents a pop, sold the hedge funds more than enough shares to cover every single reported short share. That is disgusting. So when they combine the company back into the same shares, they will have more than enough at a 60-cent price point to cover every single reported short share. Now, if you believe that there are billions of naked shorts out there, it's a slightly different story, but you still have to have faith that these naked shorts will be in some way exposed. Adam Aron does not believe that there are naked shorts. He has made that very clear several times. FINRA and the SEC do not believe that there are naked shorts, or they would be investigating what's going on and exposing these naked shorts. It is very, very difficult to believe anybody will be exposed as having naked shorts on. So it is possible, right? I'm not gonna deny that, but it is not something that you should base your short squeeze idea on, because there is no probability on that taking place. There's no judgeable probability that would say, okay, well, it is in my favor that AMC is going to go up at this point. The short squeeze, the reverse split, a lot of people are very excited about the changing of the QSIP or the CUSIP number out there, and therefore making all of the shorts cover. Why are they excited about that? Well, because Teddy Zane and some of these other guys out there said that was the factor that allowed Cosmos Health, or Cosmos, I think it's Cosmos Health, COSM stock, shoot higher. That is absolute malarkey. That was the reason Cosmos Health moved higher the day that it went from 23 cents pre-market up to $23 that day. That was a retail run-up and had nothing to do with shorts being closed out and so on. So what you end up with is a situation where shorts were given every single share that they needed to cover every single reported short share. There's really no other way to look at it. And I will say this, being as respectful as possible, okay? You can blindly continue to look one direction. I believe in the short squeeze, and there is nothing you can do to prove me wrong. That is okay, and I believe that is what the AMC Army or AMC Apes have committed themselves to at this point of the game. Blindly agreeing with and blindly believing that the short squeeze is guaranteed to happen with Adam Aaron as the savior. I don't think that that's a healthy way to live. I think looking at the pros, looking at the cons, and making an actual decision based on what's happening is the good way to go about it. Instead of just saying it's going to happen because I want it to happen. There's a huge difference in that. And anytime somebody has an opinion to the contrary, instead of kind of like hashing it out and throwing, well, okay, yes, this could happen, or yes, this could happen, these are the situations that we're in right now, it is, you're an idiot, you're a shill, you have no idea what you're talking about, it is guaranteed. And I don't think that that's right. I truly don't, man. So I have no problem whatsoever if you are committed to a short squeeze. I actually have less of a problem if you're committed to the short squeeze because you believe in naked shorts, but I don't believe that is the probable thing to happen. You've got to expose something that nobody can expose. And you've got to look at your actual like numbers there. And those will never be determined. So if you're looking at reported numbers, dude, it is looking bleak at this point, man. Let's see. Perfectly pleased to get out the word. Vote yes to get. Oh God, no, man. Just don't go blindly vote yes either. Please, please, please. Just consider the alternative. That some people out there are so committed to making this thing happen that they are looking the other direction at what is actually going on. Flip, starting report that we will not be neighbors anytime soon. The job in Ohio has fallen through. Patrick, I don't know where you currently live right now, but it is -6 degrees outside. Wildly, wildly windy and just frigid. It is not good to be in Ohio today. But I do hope the best, dude, for your jobs and all of that, man. I hope that everything is going fine there. Moji is not chubby. Something I don't even know what's going on. Whatever happened to Hash? No idea. Thanks, J-Bones. Yes, yeah, buddy. Dream on, Bronson. No, Mr. No Wrench. Click, read my last comment. King Mamba, I got you, man. Where are you? Where are you, King? Oh, I'm originally from Washington. Gotcha, King Mamba. Originally from Washington, moving all the way up to Alaska, dude. I don't know, man. Alaska's very far away. And I am still trying to get your shirt, King Mamba. I am still trying to get your shirt. Greater Kansas City here. Gotcha, Pat. Let's all move to the Bahamas, take over the FTX building. Hey, man, it's vacant. We could take it over. It is vacant. Nano Dimensions about the moon. Nano Dimensions I have not seen in a long time, King. Let's look up Nano Dimensions right now. And, hey, by the way, life after the squeeze, man. I'm not trying to tear you down or anything. I'm just trying to say I see this stuff every day on Twitter. And I think you can agree if you just think about it. I understand. I want it to happen too. I really do. But there's literally no alternative allowed to be discussed. And that's crazy, man. That's crazy. All right, read my 31st comment of 2021. J-Bones, man, if I could go back and find your 31st comment of 2021, man, I would read it, dude. I would read it, but I think it might take me a while to find that. Nano Dimensions, what we're going to find there. NNDM. Let's see. Nano Dimensions about to... Hey, Nano Dimensions bouncing off a level of support. I will say this. Nano Dimensions does have some resistance in the area that it is currently testing. Somebody was telling me yesterday, I think at the end of the live stream, before I was able to, I think it was like after, it was either while I was signing off or it was after I clicked end. But Nano Dimensions coming from a bottom of 50 cents at the end, in the beginning of 2020, rising all the way up to $18. My goodness, a 30+ X gain. Sitting down here, bouncing off this level of support at $2, currently sitting at $2.44. Somebody was saying that the cash that they have exceeds their current market cap. So let's see. Market cap $628 million. See what the balance sheet got. 1.22. It is true, man. Their market cap doesn't even equal the cash that they have, but does it equal they have a positive book value? They do actually have a positive book value, $5.02 per share. The liabilities that they have, they've got total, my gosh, dude, they've all their assets are in cash. They got $1.22 billion in cash. $1.34 billion in total assets. They're sitting on like nothing in terms of buildings or anything else, dude. Oh my gosh. That is kind of crazy. As far as debt goes, total liabilities of only $50 million. If anybody has followed Nano Dimensions, if anybody's followed Nano Dimensions closely over the last couple of years, did they dilute the snot out of people back in this area right here? Did they dilute the crap by issuing more shares in this area? How in the world are they sitting on $1.22 billion in cash? They only have liabilities of $50 million, and their revenue is only $11 million a year. Because I'm going to tell you right now, you don't accumulate $1.22 billion by making $11 million a year. $11 million a quarter. That does not happen. They're sitting on a lot of cash, and I don't know where they got it. Unless, of course, they diluted shareholders, which I'm not going to go back and read all those articles. So if you guys know that they did issue additional capital, please let us be aware of that. But nonetheless, yeah, it does look like they did so. Kenneth! Yes, man. Looks like renewing that green name there, Kenneth. Thank you very much. Welcome to the Kenneth. And grabbing that green name. Loving it right now. Welcome, 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 welcome. John J, J Bones, Dark Bro, JB. You guys are awesome, man. I love the Canton, Massillon areas. If I could afford it, I would move to Solon or Perrysburg. Man, I don't understand. Pat, how do you know so much about Ohio? What the heck? Welcome, Kenneth. Heck yeah. Sorry, Pat. Do you own Nano Dimension stock? He has risen. I do not own Nano Dimension stock. But I'm going to be honest with you. Nano Dimensions would probably be better off if they sold. If they just like distributed their cash. They have a $1.22 billion cash, man. That's way too much cash. I don't understand where they got all that cash. They're only making $11 million a quarter. Revenue, not their net income is negative. I do not own it, but they are sitting on a massive amount of cash there. King Razi and Pika aren't here to gift everybody. That is true, man. Where's King Razi? Where's Pika? I owe Razi a shirt, right? Let's see. What's up with Voyager? Now it don't seem very promising for my locked up money. So Bronson, it actually doesn't seem too bad for the locked up money, right? If Binance doesn't buy Voyager by, I believe, May 18th, 2023 was the date, then it seems like Voyager's just going to unlock that money. I do not know why they don't unlock it now. Allow everybody who wants to withdraw, and then sell the remaining assets to Binance or any other exchange that wants to buy them. I would rather see that than me just withdraw my money from Binance. You know what I mean? Like, I don't understand why they don't just let people withdraw now and then Binance buys them later. Let's see where we going on here. Skystone 5. Welcome, Kenneth. Welcome, Kenneth. Welcome, Kenneth. Yes, guys. Buy the Dipski on Nano Dimensions, bro. Cash value is $6. Starting to hear some good stuff, though. Yeah, he has risen, so it does look like they got a book value of $5.02, right? So it is still undervalued looking at the book value there. But they do have a massive, they're sitting on $1.22 billion cash, dude. They're sitting on a massive cash pile. The question is, man, can they spend it in a way that brings them in more cash? I would almost argue that no, they can't, because their current earnings are negative, and it doesn't look like they're doing very well to increase those. Revenue is up drastically, yes, from where it was last year, but nonetheless, man, I believe they had they had to have diluted people to get to that level of cash. Good morning, bro. What's going on? 775. So I can sell my crypto then when they do that. So yeah, Bronson, I would imagine so. Based on the articles that I was reading from Voyager, Binance has until April 18th to go through with this sale, until it's approved and all of that, at $1 billion worth of cryptocurrency assets. They said then they're going to give them a maximum 1 month extension, so technically until May 18th. But if Binance doesn't come through, the way that I read that article, and you guys can go through and look at the most recent articles from Voyager, was that they would be unlocking the cryptocurrencies that are currently on their platform to their current creditors, you and I. I don't know if that's like what ratio we would be able to withdraw. I don't know what that looks like. But the way I read it was that May 18th, 2023 should be like the last that we have to worry about it being locked up. Kenneth! Boom, baby! Kenneth throwing 10 green names in the chat right now. Loving it, baby. Oh my gosh, yes. Kenneth, thank you very much. If you guys got a green name, please say thank you to Kenneth right now. He is risen, got a green name. Gorilla Invictus got a green name. Anthony Doyle got a green name. King Mamba's green baby. Johan got a green name. Peter Banfield got a green name. Crypto Dreamer got a green name. Rybed got a green name. Army Vet Bro. Army Vet Bro. Guys, Army Vet Bro was actually blocked. Army Vet Bro should not be blocked, and he was blocked yesterday when I went through and unblocked everybody. Army Vet Bro, if you're in here listening right now and you had been trying to previously chat, you were blocked along with Bronson and Mayo and Kristen and some others that I know for a fact should not have been blocked. So if you're in here right now listening, Army Vet Bro, I'm very sorry that that had happened. If you had been sending messages or something, nobody was ignoring you. They literally were not coming through because you were blocked. MK Ultra Patient also got a green name. Loving it, man. Dark Bro, let's get it. Guys, please, if you just got a green name, please thank Kenneth for throwing those green names out there. Kenneth, amazing, man. SD, very nice. Yes, SD showing some respect for Kenneth out there. Good morning to you, Dustin Anthony. It is awesome, man. Love to see that green name on you. Welcome to all of the new bros. Heck yeah, welcome. Pudgy saying welcome. 775, nice, Kenneth, very nice. Welcome, new bros. Heck yeah, Moji, Anthony, thanks, bro. Boom, baby, glad you got it, Anthony. Nice, Kenneth. Have a drink on Clay, or I will have a drink on Kenneth. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Oh, yes. Kenneth, thank you very much. Please, guys, if you just grabbed a green name, if you heard me read your name out there, please say thank you to Kenneth. And you know what? Actually, everybody else, throw a little thank you out to Kenneth for really hooking up all the bros right there. Love to see it, man. Kenneth, thank you for the green names. And everybody, a Merry Christmas to you with all of those green names right there. J-Bone saying welcome to all the bros. Welcome all, and welcome back, Bronson, and all that Moji, and all of those that Moji blocked. Yeah, it could be Moji, man. I don't know who went rogue on us, but it could have been somebody. Welcome back to you, Bronson. Welcome back to Army Vet Bro. I love to see the fact that he got a green name. I hope he's in here listening right now, but actually very upsetting. Some like Bronson and Army Vet and Mayo and Kristen had blocked names out there. Thanks, Kenneth. Let's get that giveaway done. Oh, yes, we're going to have a giveaway. We're going to do it in a couple seconds here. Mixmeister for Beats. Mixmeister for Beats. Okay, Mixmeister. I'm going to actually type in Mixmeister right now and see if that is something I'm going to be able to use. Mixmeister right there. All right, sweet. Type that in. Oh, okay. So is this something is this a program you got to download? All right. Anyway, I'll go to it. I'll go to it and see if it's something I'm going to be able to use right there. Kenneth, thank you very much for that. Moji, thank you for the super chat. This is for the not fat finger Pat hydration fund. Boom, baby. Pat don't have no fat finger. Emoji don't have no fat finger. I love it, man. And then we got the authorized. Does that mean I have more authorized hydration? I hope that it does, Moji. Oh, so good, man. So good. Pat said military buddies from the greater Cleveland area and a potential job offer in Berrysburg. His comment was hidden. What, dude? Why these dudes' comments get hidden, man? Oh gosh, what would be hidden about that, man? Military buddies? Like, how do you what would possibly be hidden in that word right there? That is absolutely ridiculous. Nothing in that sentence should have been hidden. Yeah, exactly, Dark Bro. Why would YouTube hide anything like that, man? Nothing makes sense anymore, guys. Nothing makes sense anymore. YouTube's a little weird. YouTube knows they're a little weird, but YouTube can do whatever they want because YouTube has the viewers. My gosh. Tectonic to the moon eventually. Yes, Tectonic is not currently mooning, but I do hope that Tectonic does go to the moon. Clay, there are too many wrenches. Fat fingers. Purge the wrenches. Purge the wrench. Purge the... Should we purge the wrenches? I don't know if we should purge the wrenches, man. I don't know. You guys think we should purge blue names or what's the deal? Maybe we should. Maybe we shouldn't. I actually don't know. Listen, I appreciate all of the wrenches, right? I really do, which is why I'm conflicted about potentially purging wrenches. I think all of you guys are awesome. Love the fact that you show up here every day and hang out and try to keep the comments clean and stuff, but... So I don't want to be the guy that takes it away, but if you guys think it might be time to purge the wrenches and just reissue and stuff like that, dude, I'm cool with it. Patrick, thanks, Moji. Let's make Clay pee his pants. No, man, I don't want to pee my pants, but I will drink to that. Patrick. Thank you very much for that authorized hydration, Pat. Loving it. Purge them. Purge them. He's like, I volunteer for tribute. We got ourselves a good old-fashioned... Oh, my God. What is the... Hunger Games situation going on here. Dark Bro's like, I'll go second. Purge the wrench. Purge the wrench. Purge that. We might do it, man. You guys are like about to push me off the corner or push me off the edge into the volcano. Michael, thank you very much for the super chat. We got some fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Thank you very much, Michael, for the fist bump. Yeah. We just need a little king fist bump, baby, and we got that king fist bump. Michael, ladies and gentlemen, the most consistent player in the game. Michael, man, thank you. Seeing some of the blue names for over a year. Yes, some been blue for over a year. This is a fact. Heck, no purge. Let's get some, pump action? Let's do it, man. Let's go, LUNC family. Let the purge commence. I personally really like seeing all the new names. Me too, 775. Don't touch the blue women's names. Don't touch them. Don't you dare. You know what we will dare to do? We're going to give away a shirt right now. We got larges. We got mediums. I will not be shipping them out today. I will not be shipping them out most likely tomorrow. I'll let this winter storm go through. They will most likely go out next week. But nonetheless, mediums and larges. If you guys wear a medium or if you wear a large or if you want to give a medium or a large to somebody else, please get ready to participate in the game. We'll be giving that wrench away right after I say, Scott Stone and Fine. Thank you. Thank you for the mustache. Scott Stone and Fine. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the super chat, Sky Stone and Fine. Loving it right there, man. Bronson wants a wrench. Bronson does want a wrench, man. But really, what are your thoughts on Dogelon, Tectonic for the future? We're having a position in them since it's so cheap. Yeah, so they are worth having some sort of a lottery ticket position in. Absolutely. I don't exactly know where Dogelon Mars is at right now. I know that that's very heavily correlated to Elon Musk. Tectonic, on the other hand, could be a very, very prominent DeFi lending coin once the bull market returns. The negatives could be that Tectonic and DeFi in general get banned, okay? The Senate's talking about banning cryptocurrency right now. DeFi would most likely be one of the ways that they ban it first. If they do not, awesome. If they do, if everything's good, you still got to worry about Tectonic making it through the bear market. Only a $10 million market cap is a very, very small coin. So if it doesn't make it, these smaller coins are going to be first to die out. Let's see. Guys, oh gosh, I gotta get out this and then spam the chat right after I say, they should turn the wrench into a fist bump. Hashtag LUNC. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump, baby. Yes, they should. Wrenches should just be fist bumps because you guys know your bros at that point. Let's see here. Noise, baby. Oh, yes. Article Gaming. That's my quick thoughts on it. Please, guys, please spam the chat right now. Let's give a shirt away. It is a medium or a large. Your choice on that. You cannot win. I mean, technically, you can still win the spam if you do not live in the United States. But unfortunately, I am not shipping them out outside of the United States right now. So please, if you have already won a shirt or if you already have a 1-year shirt, please, you cannot win. You're going to pick somebody else's name. The shirts are medium and larges only right now. We're giving those away. Got way too many of them, and we're out of extra larges and stuff. So we're simply doing mediums and larges. You guys can win this one. Have some fun with it. Spam the chat. Let's give that shirt away right now. I want to see that chat moving. I want to see that chat moving. I want to see that chat moving. Let's get these chats moving. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Get this chat moving before I can give away a shirt. There's only 38 people in here. You guys got a really good chance of winning. What are we doing, man? What are we doing? You guys got to spam this chat so we can get a little win here going on. I see SD, 775, JB, Pudge. There the chats are moving. There the chats are moving. All right, guys. We are going to be picking a winner in 3, 2, 1. Boom. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Got him. Got him. What do we got? 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 We got Kenneth winning the chat. That's actually pretty fitting. Kenneth, man. Kenneth throwing out 10 green names right there. Kenneth winning the spam on that one. Kenneth won the spam with spam. Very nice. Kenneth, question is, man, can you use a medium or a large shirt right there? That is what we are giving away in this one. If not, you've got your choice. I can repick or you can pick somebody. If you don't want to wear a medium or large, you can absolutely give it to your son, your daughter, you know, whatever you want to do there, your neighbor, all that good stuff. Keith, man, you working today? Thank you very much for the 1-year member chat. Keith says, my bros, stay warm. It is very cold out there today, Keith. My goodness, it is cold out there. Kenneth, you won the spam on that, man. What are we doing, Kenneth? Can you use a medium or large? If yes, I will absolutely send it to you. They close and still getting paid. That's what I'm talking about. Keith getting paid, and he doesn't even have to work today. Very nice. Let me tell you something. Tell me something, Article Gaming. Tell me something. So let's see what Kenneth is going to do here. Kenneth, can I send you a medium or large shirt? Let's see right here. Give it to someone in Indiana. Saves Clay on shipping. Nah, not too much. Pick it. Oh, Kenneth says pick again, man. Kenneth says pick again. You guys better remember this. If you use a medium and large and help Kenneth out when I got those extra larges and double X's coming back in stock. So let's go. Where you been, bro? I've been here every day, Dr. No. Been here every day, man. If YouTube's hiding me. I've been here every day. Noise, Kenneth. Have a hot dog banana drink on Clay. You take that hot dog, you dip it, and you shove it. You peel that banana, man. You lick it. And you stick it, and you take a little bit of that authorized hydration. Oh, yes. Spam the chat, because Kenneth says pick again. He will not be wearing a medium or large shirt. Doesn't want to give a medium or large shirt to somebody else. So we are spamming that chat again. We're going to figure out who the real winner is right now, because Kenneth doesn't want the responsibility of picking a winner himself, and then you guys saying, rigged. All right, guys, we're going to be doing the giveaway. Let this chat start rolling. Chat is rolling. Very good, guys. All right, it is rolling. It is rolling, guys. We're going to be picking a winner in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got him. What do we got here? It is replaced by Dustin, man. Dustin Kelbo. I like it. Dustin, the winner on that one. Dustin, what are we using here, man? Can you use a medium or large shirt? If the answer is yes, I gotta know. Are you gonna be able to contact me on Twitter, Discord, or email? What do we got, Dustin? Dustin won that one. Very nice. Dustin grabbing a bro shirt. Looking good. Dustin, congratulations. Heck yeah, SD on that one. Dustin, where we at, man? We got to know Dustin Kelbo grabbing that green shirt, or not a green shirt, but grabbing a bro shirt right there. Let's see. Unfortunately, I'm from Canada. Gotta go again. Hey, dude, no unfortunate about it. Dustin, if I pick again, cool. You can pick somebody in the chat if you want, but it looks like we're going to be picking again here. No problem at all. Dustin winning that one. And you know what, guys? Remember some of these names, too, because if we stock up next year, even though it could take a little longer to get there, you know, we could hook these guys up. Where are the stickers? Oh, I still got stickers, too, man. I still got... Actually, you know what? Maybe we should... Yeah, if these guys don't win that too, Kenneth, if you want to hit me up in Discord, and even Dustin, man, if you want to hit me up on Discord or... gosh, dude, Twitter or email. I have no problem. If you guys want to hit me up there, then I'll get you guys stickers too. I have no problem sending a sticker. It's like $1.50 to send a sticker to Canada. Patrick, thank you for the super chat. Noise, Dustin. Have a little. That's Clay Bros Peach, baby, and a little authorized hydration for you to stay fresh. Stay frosty, not fresh. Yes, stay frosty, baby. I like it. You guys are spamming again. Very good. Just followed your doctor. No, good deal, man. All right, spam again, guys. We're going to be doing this giveaway. We got some Canadian winners. We got Kenneth winners. All of you guys, for real, though, hit me up on Discord. Hit me up on Twitter if you guys win, and I don't have the extra large or double X shirts right now. Completely fine. I actually don't mind sending you guys a sticker pack at all. I do actually have a sticker pack, you know, right here. If you guys want one. And these, dude, I could send these out I could just go drop that in the mailbox right now. So, Kenneth, man, if you want it, mailman doesn't even come here until 4, so I can get that stuff out. Not an international stamp, though. Don't have one of those. So, we're going to be picking a winner in 3, 2, 1. Pick! Man, I'm doing good today, dude. I'm doing good today. What do we got here? We got D's 2.0. Is this the normal D's? Keith, man. Fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, baby. Keith, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it on that one, man. Thank you very much. D's is the winner. D's, is it like the normal D's? Sup? Is it you, D's? I don't even know. I don't even know if D's, you guys know the normal D's. We'll need an email. Claybro883@gmail.com. It is on the About page on the YouTube channel if you want to see that there. Claybro883@gmail.com. But it's also on the About page if you need to click on that and get it there. Is this the normal D's or what do we got here? D's, I don't know. When did Kong become the front line? I have no idea what's going on. D's 2.0. Can you? And I don't even know if it's D's. No, whatever. Are you the winner? Are you the winner? We mailing this out here. Did we finally get a winner? Is this the same D's? I don't know what's going on right now. But let me know. Can you throw a YouTube bro sticker in with my shirt to replace the one that was on my truck that was totaled? Yeah, Bronson, I should be able to, man. I should be able to. Bronson, I'm not going to lie, dude. Please remind me to do that. I do try to throw either a couple bro stickers or the Clay Bro YouTube logo sticker on there. But wherever you're telling me your address and all that stuff, message me for the YouTube logo as well. Let's see. I'm the champ. Yes, you are. D's, man. So as long as I didn't send you a shirt already, if you're not another D's that's in here, can you use a medium or a large shirt? I don't want your title. I want your address to be able to send you a shirt. If you're good to go, did we get a winner here? D's, let us know if we got a winner, man. Let us know. And then you can message me on Discord or Twitter or email and let me know where I can send that shirt to. Yes. So what do we got, D's 2.0? What do we got? I don't even know, man. I don't even know who all got shirts yet or not. So you guys got to be, like, honest with me here. Long time no see, bro. What? Where have you been, sailing? D's and Utz. D's and Utz. Is that what we got? It's way past 1 o'clock right now. Way past 1 o'clock. D's, what do we got? We got a winner? I got to know, man. Message button off on Twitter. No, Doctor, no. I got to follow you for the message button to be on there. Tag me in something that I can go follow you on there. Let's see. D's, man, did you win? I gotta know. Can you use a medium or large here? Let's figure this out. It's already 105. Let's figure this out in case we gotta pick another winner. Normal D's is a green name. No, I know, but he might be on a different Google account. Nice. D's have D's on Cledge. Follows you. All right, Dr. No. Tag me in something so I can follow, so I can hit you with a follow back. Let's see. D's. What are we doing? Where did D's go? Did D's die? Let's figure this out. Merry Christmas, 1776. Heck yeah, 775. Merry Christmas to everybody in here. Let's see what we've got going on. Let's see what we've got with this giveaway. Where's D's? If D's doesn't answer soon. If D's doesn't answer soon, we might just pick another winner in the second live stream today. Maybe 2 winners. Let's see. Patrick! Noise! D's have D's, peanuts, and, what is that, like a little hazelnut on Clay. Thank you very much for those nuts for D's and this authorized hydration right here. I do feel like I have to pee now. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. D's, come on, bro. Yes, what's the giveaway about, bro? Oh, shirt, man. So you're going to win a bro shirt if you win one right there. Mullen is tuning. Is Mullen going up right now? And you know what Mullen's doing. Mullen Auto up 3%. Yes, man. Mullen is on its way up right now. Mullen Auto looking pretty good, up 3%. Let's see. Where you at? Where you at? D's. Hey, D's, man. Can you wear a medium or large shirt? D's, can you wear a medium or large shirt? And for those that don't know what the giveaway is for, let me show you. We got a bunch of shirts here. This is one of them, for example. Nice bro shirt right here. This could be for you if you are interested in grabbing a bro shirt. Yes, large. All right, perfect. D's, you got a large shirt there. Message, either join the Discord if you're not in the Discord, or follow me on Twitter, or you can email me. So D's is the official winner on that one. D's is the official winner on that one, guys. We're absolutely going to be picking other winners this afternoon. So please make sure to come back if you guys want the chance to win again this afternoon. Where we at here? Let's pin that to the top of the chat. D's the winner on that one. D's, man, get in touch with me on Twitter, Discord, or email, okay? Twitter, Discord, or email. Let me know where I can send that shirt, and I will most likely send it out early next week. We had a huge, like, it's -5 degrees outside right now. Ton of snow and all that stuff coming through. The roads are terrible right now, so I don't know if I'm going to risk it just to go send a shirt out today or tomorrow, but nonetheless, guys, it is 1:08. We're going to be coming back this afternoon with a live stream. See LUNC pumping as I was giving up hope. No, never give up hope, man. Emailed you. Perfect. Dustin, I'll check that out. And you'll be able to get a sticker pack, man. You'll be able to get a sticker pack there. Sorry that you didn't win the shirt in Canada. But nonetheless, guys, get your name in the chat. Again, we'll do the shout-outs, and then we will be back in a couple hours with the afternoon live stream. AMC Trapper in the house, baby. We got shout-outs to Keith, D's, Sky Stonify, J-Bones, Claybro, oh, that's me, Old Rounder, Kenneth, man, thank you very much for the green names. Kenneth, also, man, let me know where I can send you a sticker pack. Ray, see ya later. Pudgy, see ya later, man. 1776, Ray, Sailing with Twins, Dustin, AMC Trapper saying, peace out of the Diamond Handed Apes, man. See ya later. Patrick, see ya later. Peace out to you. Bronson, Kia can make it in the snow, dude, but I don't know if I want to go. J-Bones, Ray, Sky Stonify, later to USD 775, next level, Tim is here, baby, oh yes. Kenneth, Pudgy, AMC Trapper, all of you guys, you know what time it is. King Mamba, Keith, you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, peace out of the Diamond Handed Grapes. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.